celebrate International Dog Day. I have with me the very gorgeous Shalini Pandey. Hello Shalini. And who is this little one? AJ. And I have planned something special because
I'm very excited.
Like me, you are a big dog lover. Hello and welcome back to Take Me Out. This is Anita Brito and today is a very special day as we celebrate International Dog Day, and to celebrate this day with us, I have the very beautiful Shalini Pandey with me, who is here with her pets, and we are going to celebrate this day with pets and with all the puppy love and puppy cuddles that we can get. Come, let's meet Shalini. Let's go. Shalini Pandey. Hello Shalini, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good. And who is this little one? AJ, come here. AJ is, I think, very excited. Okay, we are not going to capture that. But welcome. It's so nice to have you today with us.
Same.
And I have planned something special because,
I'm very excited.
like me, you are a big dog lover, and we connect that way.
Yes.
So let's see what we have stored for you. Come on, let's go.
Come on,
AJ, come on. So Shalini, you have not one but two. We have not met the other one. Yes.
That's AJ. That's my elder one. That's my younger one. That's Beer. But she'll open up, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
I'm hoping.
So when was the first? When did you get your first baby?
I got my first baby in the lockdown actually.
Ah.
Yeah.
AJ is your lockdown
That's AJ,
baby? Oh.
Lockdown baby. And then I got Beer after 2 years. I got AJ.
Oh, how sweet. So how has AJ been? Was AJ your first baby?
Yeah.
Or you
AJ
had?
was my first baby, and then I got Beer from Himachal. So I went to Himachal for a trip to Beer.
Okay.
Actually Beer, and that's why I named her Beer.
Oh.
I
Hey.
rescued her.
AJ and Beer changed your life since the time they have come in your life.
I don't actually remember living a life before them, to be honest. I don't think I can imagine living life without animals. I have always been an animal lover, and I have grown up with animals, but I've always requested my parents to let me have dogs or cats or whatever, and they're like, no, I mean, you better take care of yourself and then you. But then I grew up and I realized that I don't think I do want to live without animals, and just to have, dogs or cats or any kind of animals around you, it just makes you, at least makes me feel happier and brighter, and it just cheers you up.
Right.
And you come home and with so much unconditional love, and it's amazing.
But with your shooting schedule and your shooting life, how do you manage to give them so much time?
When I'm shooting, of course, then I miss out time with them. But when I'm not, I hardly go out. I just spend time at home or take them out. It's just, I don't feel the need of actually. A lot of friends complain and they're like, you don't get out, you're just a homebody. It's not that I'm a homebody, but just I love my animals, I love my dog. I miss so much time not spending time with them, so I make sure that whenever I'm home, I'm spending time.
So when I go out, I'm out, but when I go home to my fellow, no matter what happens, I have a boy.
Just one?
Shih Tzu, yeah. For now, one.
Yeah.
He's also a lockdown baby. I got him just 15 days before lockdown. Just 15 days before lockdown. And
You must
then
have spent a lot of time with her.
full. That's
why
why.
I spent a lot of time with her, and that's why I'm very close.
Oh, whoa.
Why are you doing the dog?
Where are you climbing on me? Hi.
Hi.
Hi, AJ. Do you like it
We're
here?
on camera. Come.
Do you like it here?
She is quite a camera girl. Huh?
Yeah?
Yeah. She's
Have you taken her on the sets? Have you taken both of them on the sets?
You can't.
No.
No, you cannot. She talks a lot. And when I mean talk a lot, she genuinely talks a lot.
Can we see something?
Right now she's obsessed with other
Other
dogs.
dogs, I
Petting
know.
them and skipping them. Otherwise she would not let you talk, huh? She would like keep barking, she wants to engage. Yeah.
Right now, this one is talking
Like
with us. She's very involved with all. Oh, what happened? What happened? What is happening?
Yes. Why? You don't like her? Oh.
See this one.
Yeah. Oh my God.
So, would you train them, or you have kept a trainer?
I mean, both of them technically are trained. They got training for like, she got training for almost 6 months. She got trained for almost 4 months. But then, honestly, it's my fault. I really spoiled them. Okay, and I take the blame. So it doesn't matter if they're trained or not. I genuinely have spoiled them to their lives. Yeah, but I love them. I genuinely think that it's nicer that I've spoiled them.
Hey, what is happening? Pakodi.
Yeah, pakodi.
Look at this little one. Why you? Oi. Have you traveled with them anywhere?
Of course I have. Like not long distance, but like Goa, Lonavala, all of that.
And
She loves car rides. The other one hates
she's
it.
there.
She has motion sickness, so she can't travel much, and she hates it. So I don't like.
But how did you manage to get her from Himachal?
She's really tiny, so we had to like. I think I had to from Bir to I think Chandigarh we drove.
Okay.
And then we took the train.
Yeah.
It was a long drive.
Long drive, yeah.
But she was really tiny, so I don't think.
Now
that was a
how
problem.
she is 4.
That one's 3.
3, 1 year difference.
Yeah. She's really at this moment very not comfortable with the dog.
It will take some time for her. Yes, you are very happy here. Huh? And now you have 2 lovely babies at home, so that may be keeping you very occupied.
Very. Can you see how distracted I am? When you have dogs or cats, any animal, your eyes constantly keeps moving. You're like very distracted. I'm very distracted this moment because I want to know what they're doing. The other one is not gelling.
But I'm happy that she's calmed down.
Yeah.
See, now she's not having a face.
She's a better behaved girl. She's very
Naughty. Normally the second child is the naughtiest, but
She's not really. But then if she goes out, she goes. This one is very curious.
That's sweet.
She needs attention.
Okay, if I have to ask you one film that you think both can feature in, what would that be? Which film?
The one film that has happened, anything like
Any you can pick.
What they can feature?
Any dog film that you think they will be best in.
On camera. I'm just thinking. Give me options now. Which one can you think?
There's Hachiko.
There's Hachiko. There's a film called Nora. It's really heartbreaking. I saw this film called Charlie.
Yeah, 777.
Yeah,
Kannada.
It was so heartbreaking. I howled and cried. It was just very beautiful.
But there is Marry Me. There is Marry Me, right? But there is a dog in Marry Me. Jennifer Aniston's film.
I know that film, but I haven't seen it.
Okay,
Yeah.
so she can be part of that film as well.
I don't think she's a good actor. Huh? If you put a camera on her, she acts.
Yeah.
She and I, she's still based and I'm taking a selfie. That one doesn't.
Ooh.
She's not camera friendly. She's like camera friendly.
Which has been your favorite dog film?
You can't. Oh,
No?
I thought you were saying
No. That we can't. That I will never
Favorite
ask
dog
him.
film?
Yeah.
I'm too sensitive to watch dog films. I don't.
No?
I can't watch it. No. So if it's I'm too sensitive emotionally when it comes to animals. I can. Not that it sounds great, but I can still understand a human dying, and I understand that okay, acting and all of that. Animal dying, animal killing, I can't take on screen. I'm so sensitive. So I genuinely, the first, after really long, the film that I watched was Charlie, and I absolutely loved, but it broke my heart, and I didn't have the courage to watch it.
That is one film even I have like howled and howled.
Yeah.
But my favorite is Hachiko.
I love Hachiko.
Forever.
Yeah, I love Hachiko.
But I want to know, why have you named her AJ? What is the always there's a reason behind naming it.
So there is a show on Netflix. It's a very underrated show. I don't know why people don't watch it or talk about it. It's called AJ and the Queen.
Okay.
So when I was watching that show, so AJ in that is a small girl. And I loved the way she was. I loved the attitude. So I thought that whenever I'm going to get a dog, I'm going to name her AJ. And she came soon after that, a month later.
How sweet.
And I named her AJ.
And he's Beer because he's come from...
She.
She's
Beer. So I picked her up from Beer and I was like, Beer.
Beer.
Yeah.
How sweet. Okay, on International Day, if you have to advise all the pet lovers, if you want to give them, what would you like to say to them?
If I want to give, like, I hate advice, but if I want to give a general advice now, I feel that if you've gotten them home, if you've rescued an animal or just you have animals at home, just treat them as your own, right? Just don't like. I hate when I go to someone's place and they're like, "Should I have dog?" Of course, you should train your animals, but the thing is, then you treat your animals like not a part of your family, and then they're like they're there somewhere in the terrace, they're not allowed.
Yeah, not on the sofa, not here,
I'm
not
sorry,
there.
I'm not like that, and I don't enjoy it. I feel that they're to me, they're like part of me, and they're very much, it's their home now, and they deserve the love.
True.
And I genuinely feel that if you pick them up for any reason, they're not like antiques to show off to people. So love them and give them the love that they deserve. And I feel just take care of them, just give them enough love, because it's just I'm sure I'm in a denial zone thinking that they'll be forever, but they have much lesser time than we do. So I feel that whatever, that's why I spoil them. I'm like, it's okay.
Yes.
The animals are supposed to be like that. It's human beings who tame them. They're not supposed to be in the households. But we've tamed them and made them, trying to make them like a human being, which is not possible. So let them be, is what I feel.
Guys, that's a message from Shalini on International Dog Day. Yes.
That's a message from AJ.
AJ
She
as
agrees.
well. Yes, of course.
Bark one more time. The camera's on you. Bark. Now she.
Yay! Well, thank you so much for doing this. I hope you enjoyed it.
I loved it. I was just too distracted, but I loved this.
Thank you for doing this.
Any day put me with animals and I would love it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
उनके पास लेके जाना क्लोज
Okay.